Okay, so I'm going to go through and explain to you really why Google is pushing the Chrome OS so much and really what they're trying to accomplish with it. A lot of people are confused on this. They think that Google's trying to compete directly with Microsoft in terms of the operating system market. And really, that's not what they're trying to do. They're not even going to be coming close to that. I don't think they'll even make a dent in Microsoft's share of the operating system market, and I really don't expect them to. The thing with Google is you got to think, how are they actually making their money? And when you think about that, you realize it's pretty much ads. If you go through in YouTube, that's owned by Google. Right here, right on the front page, what do we have? We got this ad for some new movie. We got some ads down here for, hiring some engineers, somebody up there. Don't think the feature videos are advertised or anything like that, but right here, right on the home page, you get ads. And then if you go through and click on some partner videos, you're going to see some ads there. I think this one from Household Hacker is already flagged. Talk about my false flagging video. There's something else about it. Maybe Dovetastic didn't get flagged this time. No, unfortunately, didn't submit it for revenue sharing or whatever. But usually you get an ad up here, an ad in the video. You get ads all over the place in YouTube. You might even see them on a couple of my videos that have revenue sharing. You go through and you do a search with Google. What do you get? You get ads on the side here for various things. Google even advertises their own products. You can get some ads up here at times. I've seen some possibly at the bottom. Other things in the image search, video search, all that stuff. Shopping, they make money off of that. You go to websites like mine here. I got some ads here from Google. That's powered by Google. Here's another ad from Google. Let's go over here. We go over to TechCrunch. And it doesn't look very obvious, but if I put my mouse over one of these here and then look at my status bar, it actually says googleleads.doubleclick.net. Guess what? Google owns DoubleClick as well. So all these are Google ads. They're making money off of this. So, heck, right there, ads by Google, another advertisement. This is not something that's uncommon. Google advertises. They do advertising. That's how they make their money. And it's pretty obvious. So how does this relate to the Chrome OS? Well, what Google's betting is that if there is a internet device, a device that pretty much just does internet, it jumps to it real quick, it's fast, and it gets you on there, and you can only do internet with it, well, you're going to be on the web, and chances are you're going to see a Google ad. You might not click on it, but they also have what's called impression ads, and they get paid for those as well. So if you see an ad and it's an impression ad, they make money on that. If it's an ad and you actually are interested in this Rackspace hosting thing here, you click on it, guess what? They make money. They make a lot of money. They make billions. So that's really what Google is focused on. It's ads. And anything that will make you see more ads, they're going to try and work with and see how it's going to work. They want basically Chrome OS to help you get on the internet more, use the internet more in more places, and basically just browse the web. They really don't want you to ever go offline. They always want you online, browsing, clicking on an ad, seeing an ad, even the ads that show up in videos right at the beginning. I want to say those are kind of like a double where it's impression and click. I'm not sure on that. Maybe somebody as a partner can clarify that, but there's a buttload of money for them to make here with very little effort, and they're just trying to push it that extra step of here's an operating system, it does nothing but browse the web, have fun. And from what I understand, the devices are going to be pretty cheap, like $200 or $300. $300 is probably going to be the high range. and it's just, like I said, browse the web. If you use Gmail, the free version, it's got ads in it. If let's see what else. I think the Google Contacts might have ads in it. They might be starting to put those in there. I'm not sure because I have the full version. I don't have the freebie one anymore, so I turned off all the ads. But you get the idea. That's the real deal why Google's pushing the Chrome OS. It is not to compete with Microsoft in that regard. Now, if you want to talk about them competing with Microsoft, you got to keep in mind Microsoft has their own search engine, Bing. That is probably how some people are getting misconstrued here. They would be competing with Microsoft on the search engine advertising front. That's where they're competing, but definitely not with the operating systems. Chrome OS will never be what Windows is. It's a stripped down version of Linux with just Chrome OS or Chrome browser running in it. That's it. So, hope that clarifies it for some people. If you're wondering how they're making the money, how that works, where they're going with it. And until next time, I'll see you later.